Hello, to activate Hey Google on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, go into display and navigation bar. Right here you have enabled the assistant app. Then we have to go back into settings and go into Google, press all services and search assistant and voice. From there you simply have to go into Google Assistant and here Hey Google and voice match. Then you have to enable the Hey Google option, and then you should configure your Google Assistant. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. As you can see, it took some time. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. For some reason it's not working. Alright. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Alright, so just like this, your Google Assistant has been configured and your Hey Google function is enabled right now. Let's quickly test it. For some reason it's not working in my case, but in your case I can assure that it would work. That's it. Thank you for watching.